Aries sun sign natives will experience a good month in terms of money and finance. This will be a good month to scale up your expertise and invest in learning some new skills. After the second week, people in jobs will see growth and gains. Business people should be mindful of their expenses. Health will be average for Aries. Some stomach-related issues cannot be ruled out. You might feel overly stressed, and the only way is eating healthy. Arians will be overly emotional and sensitive this month. Your partner might not be able to cope with your mawkishness, and this might lead to some misunderstandings between couples. Singles might feel lonely, and natives in love will be oversensitive. The career and finance of Taurus natives will be status quo, and you will have to put in a lot more effort to achieve your goals this month. Businesses might experience a slowdown, and some losses cannot be ruled out. Health might deteriorate after the first fortnight, Taurians. Headaches and insomnia might make you restless. Yoga and meditation are highly recommended for the natives of this sun sign. Partners will have an average routine, especially in the latter part of the month. Some disagreements and arguments between family members cannot be ruled out. Singles will be unsuccessful finding a partner, and natives in relationship should just take it easy this month. New opportunities will come your way. Foreign travel will be fruitful and might win you accolades. A promotion is foretold by the stars. Business will do well, and you can expect good gains. It's a good month financially. Health will be fine, and you just need to overcome your insecurities and move ahead positively. Keep yourself usefully occupied. You will enjoy precious moments with your near and dear ones. Misunderstandings will get cleared. Singles will meet interesting people, and natives in love will want to take their relationship to the next level. The natives of Cancer sun sign will be struggling with their careers early in the month. There will be lots of work pressure. Job change is a big possibility, but you need to be very sure before you sign on the dotted line. Business people might be looking to change their field of work. Health will be average. In fact, this will be a good time for a thorough health checkup. You will have to add some excitement in your relationship. Family will be demanding and complaining. Singles will enjoy platonic relationships, and couples in love need to rethink and reevaluate their relationship. Leo natives will have a satisfying time. Your hard work will fetch you a promotion, and a new lucrative assignment is a big possibility. You need to be careful dealing with your bosses. Try not to be egoistic and open to suggestions, even if they come from your juniors. Businesses will flourish, so expect good profits. In the first half of the month, you might experience some joint pains, and the way to cure the aches is a good exercise regime. As the month progresses, you will feel energetic and enthusiastic. You will enjoy good harmony with your partner, and the familial relationships will be pleasurable. People desirous to find a mate will be lucky, and natives in love might tie the knot. The month will start well for Virgo natives, but will end on a moderate note. Some unforeseen events might slow down your pace, and you might not be able to achieve the desired results. Finances will be as expected, but after the first fortnight, some unexpected expenses might spoil things and cause stress. You will have a strong immunity and willpower through this month. You will be able to cope with small health issues. Virgo natives might have to face some ups and downs in their relationships this month. Your partner might not be very supportive. Singles will feel lonely, and natives in love need to introspect and decide if they want to move ahead. Libra natives might experience some setback in their career this month. Some planning might go wrong, and the onus might fall on you. The advice is to be careful and only take responsibilities you feel confident about. Business people will face some setbacks early in the month, but as the days go by, things will improve. Libra natives might have to deal with some skin-related issues. Do not neglect any signs of ill health. Get proper treatment without any delay. You might have some difference of opinion with your partner, and the advice is to address the issues and not to brush them under the carpet. Singles are advised to move ahead without the baggage of the past, and natives in love should not rush into commitment. Scorpio sun sign natives will be slower than normal this month, and this will make you restless. Some unforeseen problems might crop up, causing delay in completion of your projects. Business people need to be careful. Scorpio natives will enjoy good health this month. Some elders in the family might need medical attention. Some misunderstandings are indicated among partners. Communicate and find amicable solutions. Family will feel neglected, and you need to show care and love towards them. Singles are advised to take it easy, while natives in relationship need to be sure about their feelings before making any commitments. August will be a lucky month for Sagittarian sun sign natives. You will be appreciated for your work and win accolades. This will be a dream come true month for Sagittarius natives. Finances will be good, and business people will expand their work and get good profits. You might have some viral infections in the beginning of the month, but as the month advances, your strong immunity will ward off all illnesses. The beginning of the month might bring some disagreements among partners. Keep your communication clear, and you will be able to sort out things amicably. The second fortnight will see you enjoy marital bliss. Singles will get good opportunities to meet interesting people and will be spoilt for choices. Natives in relationship will be content and might like to tie the knot. The natives of Capricorn sun sign will be facing some ups and downs in their careers. Your expenses will skyrocket, and you need to be mindful of your financial situation. Business people in partnership may have disagreements which might cause a rift. The second half of the month is likely to get you some respite. Health will be average, and you might encounter some eye infections. Therefore, it is advised to take care of your health. Maintain a regular exercising regime. Capricorn natives might have disagreements with their partners and might feel restless. Lack of harmony at home will add to your woes. With patience and effort, you might see things improving towards the end of the month. Singles and people in relationship need to wait patiently and see how their relationship progresses. Aquarius sun sign natives will have to work very hard to stay afloat this month. Your colleagues might not be cooperative, and you need to be careful with what you say to your coworkers. Try to be patient and do not use harsh words. Business people might face a staff crisis. Finances will be average and lesser than expected. Health will be okay, but you might be overstressed and might experience sleeplessness. Meditation and yoga will help you calm your taut nerves. This month will not be good for Aquarians. There might be some misunderstanding, and your partner will not be supportive. Children and youngsters will be a source of joy. Singles will be lonely, and natives in relationship might not be in a happy frame of mind. Pisces sun sign natives will face some disappointments relating to their work. Your seniors might put undue pressure on you, and work satisfaction might be lacking. You might not achieve your targets, and the expenses might escalate and upset your budget. Business people will have to work very hard. Aches, pains, and insomnia might bother you this month. Try to relax with some physical activities and meditation. The beginning of the month will not be pleasant with your partner. Your partner might be unreasonable, and you will be struggling to maintain peace. After the first fortnight, things will improve, live, and let love should be your policy for the month. Singles should enjoy their single status for the time being and concentrate on work. It's not a good time for proposals and marriage.